So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant and today I'm going to show you guys the best gaming PC build under the budget of 50k. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So let's start with the part selection. So for the processor, we choose the Ryzen 7 1700X, which has a clock speed of 3.7 GHz. Now it's an octa-core processor with 16 threads and 16 MB of cache. Also it comes with a red spire LED cooler, which looks really cool. Now this processor is good for gaming as well as productivity. Now you can also choose the Ryzen 7 2600X. That processor is good too. So for the motherboard, we chose the ROG B450F. Now it's a full-size ATX motherboard with all the ports you need. It also has M2 slot for SSDs. It's also good for overclocking in future, and you can also get the Aorus B450, or if you want to save some money, you can always get any B350 motherboard which has an AM4 socket. Now for the graphics card, we have the Zotac 1050 Ti, but I don't recommend getting this graphics card. For almost the same price, you can get the RX 570 4GB variant, which offers much better performance, or you can save some money on the motherboard and get a RX 580 8GB variant which offers much better performance. For the RAM, we chose the Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB DDR4. It has a clock speed of 3000 MHz and it has RGB LED, which looks really cool, and you can also control them via Corsair software. For the power supply, we have the Cooler Master MWE 450 watt, which is really good for the price. You can also get the 500 watt or the 550 watt. For the storage, we have the standard WD Blue 1 TB hard drive. We can also add a M.2 SSD in future for faster performance and boot time and etc. So for the case, we have this generic case bought from a local store. You can choose any case you like. Also the fan came with the case, and we added a LED strip for looks. Now for the performance and the benchmark, here are all the gaming benchmarks on the screen. Now as you guys saw, this PC can run all AAA titles on 60 plus FPS at 1080p easily. On Geekbench, it scored 3300 on single core and 18000 on multi-core, which is pretty good. So yeah guys, this was basically it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any question, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one.